Are you working in a business where inventory does not play a major role? Businesses like repair and maintenance services, professional and consultancy services, AMC and contract-based services, and advertising, media, and creative services. Please see examples of businesses under each sector. If yes, then this message is for you. Most ERP and accounting software are designed with inventory at the center. They force you to complete item masters, stock rules, and rigid workflows, even when your business runs mainly on services, billing, and contracts. This creates unnecessary complexity, extra work, and software that feels heavier than your actual business. That is the real problem. Now let us talk about the solution. BRS Software is built for businesses that need flexibility, not rigidity. We understand that not every business needs inventory on day one. Some may need it later. Some may never need it at all. With BRS, you can start billing or accounting without inventory. Let us take a simple example. An IT service provider handling repairs, installations, AMC, networking, or security services. Inventory may exist occasionally, but the core business is service billing and compliance. So, what does BRS actually require? First, customer information. Track each customer if you want, or simply use cash sale. You need at least one party to start, nothing more. Second, tax formulas. BRS uses flexible tax formulas instead of rigid tax structures. You can create multiple tax rules. You can even apply tax on tax, such as cess. This setup is usually one time and takes around 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Now let's see with live demo with dummy data. Now let us create a cash sale customer. Here you can provide detailed information, but for this tutorial, we will proceed with the minimum required details. First, open the Customer Master application. Click on Add. In the name field, enter Cash Sale. Next, enable the Active option. Since the customer is not identified, enable the Unknown Customer option. That's all. For more control, you can update additional details later. For now, we are continuing with minimum information only. Now we need tax formula or rule. For that, open Tax Formula application. Click Add. Enter name for the formula or rule. For our example, GST 18%. Check Active. Add line. Double-click and select Tax Name. Enter percentage. Repeat for more. We can configure tax on tax as well, if required. Once all done, click on Save. Open Invoice application. Click Add. Select Vendor or type Cash and hit Enter. Enter customer reference information such as PO number, date. It's optional, so you can leave it blank. Add line. Enter part information such as computer repair, or you can type whatever you need to. Enter SAC number such as 998313. Enter unit, NO. Enter quantity, 1. Enter rate, 500. This is first time we are recording invoice. For SAC 998313, so you need to select tax formula. If you leave blank then, no tax will apply. Add more part information if required. If you would like to record name of walk-in customer, then enter details in Info tab. Enter name of person or reference name. Enter GST number if available. Remember, this will be going to use in GST report. Enter address, contact, email. Remember, these are optional information. Once everything entered, click on Save. System will open print. You can cross-check. If everything corrects, then you can print or export to PDF if required. That's it. See how easy it is? Close the application and open it again, and try to create invoice again. This time, system automatically provide autocomplete part information which we had created. Once you select it, it automatically gets unit, SAC, and tax. You only need to enter quantity and rate. Even if you enter another part information but same SAC, system intelligently apply tax on behalf of you. You don't need to remember it. It's that simple. Before we move ahead, a quick note. Even when working with minimum setup, always ensure that the information you enter is correct and meaningful. Accurate data, such as customer names, service descriptions, rates, and taxes, directly impacts your reports, compliance, and business analysis. In the next part, we will work with demo data and show how BRS ERP transforms this information into clear, actionable insights. You will see how BRS provides billing intelligence, financial summaries, and analysis, even without maintaining an inventory master. That is the flexibility BRS ERP is designed for. Soon, we will bring next part. Stay tuned.
Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.